come and make the woo. She know we keep it too. Big knocking on my body. Watch who you speaking to. Baby, go.
So, got the cash out. Told them wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be sponsored by Hairvivi. I'm pretty sure a lot of you all are familiar with this company. I'm going to be doing a bob today, and all the details about this wig is going to be in the description box, so make sure you click below. These are the items that it come with, fancy letter from them, and also instructions on how to work their famous straps. And the good thing is that this actual wig comes with two straps, two different ones. So this is the hairline. I'm showing you all the hairline, the inside of the wig. That right there is very soft and very cushioned. I think they call it the silk closure. So this is going to be, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, silk closure. So this is the other strap that you can do. You can either use the one with like the bra hooks, or you can use the strap. Look, I'm so tired. I've had so many wig orders to do. I am exhausted. So I'm showing you a close-up on the inside of the wig. And so here I'm going to be showing you all, I just did like a little bit of plucking, like 5 minutes. And both sides are hot comb. And so the right side is going to be me. And then the other side is how Hairvivi's hairline come with their wigs. So girl. So I was supposed to do this video like a couple of days ago, but girl, I've been in these YouTube streets. Let me tell you before I get into this wig. But you know what? It don't even matter because everybody knows this part. We're gonna cut the lace off. So girl, let me tell you real quick. I've been in these YouTube streets being messy. When I say I did nothing but make my customer wigs and be messy, girl. So y'all know, everybody probably be in the hair world. I don't be in the hair world. I really don't even watch anybody in the hair world on YouTube. Girl, I be in the makeup community. Girl, they so messy. And then I be in the blogger community. But this video was supposed to come out earlier this week, but with all the drama with Storm and Millie and Armand and Wally, girl, I've been messy. I've been so messy. I done watched so many videos. Honestly, I do wish everybody would just get along, but if they want to be messy, I am here for the tea. I had to throw that in there. Though. You know, just in case I have, some people that watch me, that watch them. Girl, what you think about it? Leave that down below in the comments. What you think, and we can get a whole thread started. But I doubt it, because I'm pretty sure everyone that's watching this video probably is into wigs. But anywho, so I use my Got to Be Glue gel for this. This is the one that is in the black bottle. And then, of course, I let it sit on my head for about 5 or 10 minutes. It actually dries pretty quickly. You can speed it up by using a handheld blow dryer. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and I am going to flat iron. Now, please remember, this is Got to Be Glue. So you cannot be rough with it. It's gel. And also, please remember, this is like a meltdown. Girl, what did I just say? A meltdown, but it could melt even better with the Ghost Bond. I use Ghost Bond. That is my favorite glue to use. So you could pick whatever glue you like to use. And normally, if you are going to be using like any type of strong adhesive, you definitely want to let it sit on there longer, and definitely want to use heat to dry it. So someone's going to ask, but that flat iron is from Sally's. Girl, they be having some good sales on their styling tools, so make sure y'all hit up sallybeauties.com. They the only ones that's open. And yeah, this what is it, this hot comb. I always leave the link down below, so I'm definitely gonna be leaving it. Make sure you check the description box. And I know y'all don't be paying attention to these videos, because I if y'all have not realized, I don't answer questions that's in the description box. I really don't, because I tell y'all in the video. So that's how I know y'all be skipping through these videos and don't be paying attention. So if you're wondering why your question doesn't get answered, that is why, because everything is in the description box. Now, if it's not in the description box and I happen to see it pop across my phone, then I definitely do answer. Don't mind that hump in the back, honey. That is my real hair. It needs to be braided down, sis. It needs to be braided down. So thanks for watching this video. Stiff wear, sis. Thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you guys later. Bye, love.
Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel